Why ride a motorcycle will save your life. New Introvert Rider POV. There are videos out there from experienced riders about the benefits of riding a bike. This one is the first from a new rider with ADHD, sensory overload syndrome. We will talk about the good side and the great side of it. Sure, we all know the dangers of having a bike, and because I'm not your parents, I won't address this issue here. Today, we are costumed to a hidden enemy that answers to the name, the comfort zone. This enemy has taken its toll on many introverted boys around the globe until very few of us dare to eradicate it. Why and how did we do it? We don't ride to impress our friends. We don't ride to impress girls. We don't compete with other superbikes. We don't judge by the dangers or by other tragic moments on bikes. We are tired of living inside boxes, houses, cars, work, relationships. We don't fear death. We fear living our awakened life like we are dead. We crave for adrenaline rush on the road and tarmac courses. We crave road trips along amazing coastlines and mountains. We crave the freedom to travel anywhere at any time. We crave the life and senses of a focused life. We crave to ride on machines that don't nag all the time. We crave to be in a brotherhood of bikers like us. That's why we ride. We want to without being pressured. We want to feel a girl's breath, but our jacket is the fantasy we had while playing Fortnite back in the day. We want to see the look on her face while we stop our sports bike, while we have a ghost rider stare into her soul. We want to beat the shit out of a boy who dares to come on a road trip with a Vespa, come back with her well repaired. We want to camp on a beach with a girl who just broke up with her boyfriend who rides a Toyota. Don't worry, baby. We will teach you the art of the 6-gear manual transmission. We want to be whole again before our body will break apart, because doubts kill more dreams than failure ever will. That's why we ride. We'd rather have a bike before having a girlfriend. If given an ultimatum, we will choose the bike. We will borrow money or take payments. We do whatever it takes. If we are doomed, it may be on a bike, then we'll so no sex compares to first rides on a sport bike. Bitch, you're fired. Are you a biker? Tell us in the comments section below how your biker's life affected your personality. Bad boys for life.